welcome to my first check-in, I guess, with you guys in Hawaii. We are at the Big Island and today is Tuesday, September 16th. Let me check. Nope, today's the 17th. And today we are going on a 14-ish hour tour around the island. And so far since we've been here, we've been to Hapuna Beach, Wailea Beach maybe. It's like a snorkeling beach. And just been having a good time, eating lots of good food. I had poke last night, it was delicious. Everyone here has been so nice. Everyone is so laid back. And I can see why people never want to leave this place. This is the place that we're renting, and as you can see, the views are immaculate. You can even see, I think that's Maui in the distance. Super nice. There's just some tide pools and a hammock, lots of palm trees, and if you feel like it, there's like a little lap pool right here. And yeah, it's super nice. I feel like a famous person, and I'm super thankful. Yeah, it's just really nice. It's so nice. I can't even explain how it is unless you come here, and I'm the only one in my family who's never been to Hawaii, and I'm so bummed that I've never been here sooner, but better late than never. And I'm looking forward to bringing you guys with me to today's tour. I think it's going to include the some Volcano National Park, coffee tour, some malasadas, which are some fried bread stuffed with filling, which I had for the first time yesterday and was really good. Yeah, I think I'm ready for the day, just getting ready to head out. Kurt, you have some insurance questions. What's his name? It's right there. today is Wednesday, September, I should always do this before I turn on the camera, September 18th. And it is the day after the like almost 14-hour day tour trip that we took with a tour. It's like a van, I guess, not technically a bus company, and it took us like all over pretty much the western coast, I would say, of this island, which is Hawaii, the big island. And it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun, but it was a very long day, and I'm glad that I got to sleep in a little bit for today, and that we're having a bit of a more slow-paced day, in that we are going to be going to the Waimea Farmers Market, and then maybe popping into some thrift stores if there are any, grabbing some lunch, and maybe going to the beach this afternoon. So, oh, and I think we're having like a cookout, like we're grilling on the back deck tonight maybe, so it's gonna be a good day, another nice sunny day out here. Yeah, we'll just see what the day brings us. I'm really sad that the trip is about halfway over now. It's gone by so quickly. I feel like I could stay here for another week, to be honest, but real life is calling back to us. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a whole list and I can't think of it all right now. I just feel like we're running out of time, but let's see how much we can do left with the days that we have on this trip. So that's Thursday and Friday. Oh my gosh, today, Thursday, Friday, and then we're coming back home Saturday. So not a lot of time, but maybe that warrants another trip back. So it's about sunset now. I just thought I'd check in and see if I could show you guys the beautiful sunset. There it is. It's super nice, obviously, right now, and I think we're gonna go ahead and grill. One thing is, I went to the farmer's market in Waimea today and was able to find a really beautiful piece of jewelry, which I'm wearing on my neck right now. Yeah, it's been a good day. We went up to, I think it was Kona, and just went and shopped around a bit, but ultimately it's just nice to be by the ocean when you're in Hawaii. Not sure what we're doing tomorrow yet, but are you kidding me? My mother-in-law's teasing me about seeing some lava. Hold on. Hey everyone, so obviously I'm no longer in paradise and I already miss Hawaii. I told my husband I usually do get homesick towards the end of a trip, but this time I actually felt like I could have stayed another week and that would have been perfect, but it's fine. We'll just have to go back, honestly, because it was beautiful, like absolutely beautiful. And I cannot believe how much stuff I got to do just in 1 week. And yeah, it makes me sad. I've already unpacked everything and just trying to get back into the swing of things. It was a great trip. I highly, highly recommend. People always say like, oh, Hawaii is so beautiful, this and that. And I'm like how good can it actually be though? You know, because I've been to like Florida and some similar kind of tropical places, but no, like Hawaii, like you can't even, there's no other place on earth, in my opinion, like it. The people are, I mean, I've already said this, the people are so nice. Like the food is great. The vibes are good. What else? What else do you need? So just a little sad, that's all, but I think I'll snap out of it eventually, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.